So this one I really can do in less than 10 minutes. I promise I can. Comparisons and order of operations with fractions. So the comparisons, they're talking about two numbers on a number line. The smaller number is to the left of the larger number. So you know when you're counting, you got 0 here and a 1 there. The smaller numbers to the left over here, smaller and larger. Yeah, that's what they're talking about. When you find the LCD, when you're comparing two fractions, they want you to find the LCD and compare them that way. But there's a better way. There's a much better way. And we're going to use the better way because it's a much better way. I mean, it's a much, much better way. So we're going to use the much better way when we get to it. I'll show it to you. It's a much better way. Okay, I might have to show it to you now because I don't see any problems in here on it. So if I had like 1/3 and 2/5, and we wanted to know which one was bigger, 1/3 or 2/5, then we would have to do something called cross multiplication. And you can only do this with fractions that you're trying to see what's in between, whether it's equal, less than, or greater than. So I do the 5 times the 1 on the top, that gives me a 5. And the bottom number times the top number up here, that gives me a 6. And we can all see that the 6 is bigger than the 5, yes? Whatever the symbol is down here, that's what the symbol is up here. So they're not equal, in fact. The 2/5 is bigger than the 1/3. Whatever the symbol is down here, that's what the symbol is up here. That's the fastest way. Because multiplication is always faster than all this LCD stuff. I'm just telling you. It works so much faster. My mom calls it a sweetheart of a deal. And considering we're close to February, I'm saying it's working. Sweetheart of a deal, done in pink and everything. Ain't that pretty? Just saying, it's a sweetheart of a deal. That's the deal. That's how you know which one is bigger. Right there. That's how you know. Now, the rules for the order of operations. Guess what? They're the exact same they've always been. Guess how we're going to do it? Exact same way we've always done it. You got it. It's all going in the calculator. We ain't changing nothing. We ain't doing nothing no different. We are going to go in and change all our mixed numbers to improper fractions because we've always done that. So 5 times 3 plus 2 is 17/5 divided by, make sure you write your parentheses, 1/4 plus 3/5. That's what I'm going to put in my calculator. Hit my little fraction key, 17/5. Go over, hit my little division key, and then my parentheses, hit my fraction. Look, it even made it big for me. Isn't that nice? Hit my, oh, I already had a fraction. Let's delete that. Do the 1/4. I'm telling you, the more you use this calculator, the more you will like it. Over the 3/5. Go over, close out your fraction, press enter, and you get 4. Right there, done. Done. Nothing else to show. Using order of operations with fractions. First thing we're going to do is change this to an improper fraction. 12 plus 1 is 13/3. So we're going to have 5/12 plus 2/3 divided by 13/3. So, well, let's go and put it in parentheses. And then I can do my 5 over 12, and then plus, and then 2 over 3, close parentheses, divided by fraction 13 over 3, enter, 1 over 4. Simplifying a complex fraction. A complex fraction is just a division problem. You can see a complex fraction if you look at problem number 9 on the next page. It looks all big and complex, no pun intended, but all it is another division problem because this means division. So you could write 5 over 8 minus 1 over 2 in parentheses divided by 1 over 8 minus 3 over 16 in parentheses, and it's the exact same thing. This is what you can type into your calculator, or you can make it look like that in your calculator. Either way, because you've seen me do fractions over fractions in that calculator. It was by mistake, but you saw it happen. You can type in fractions divided by fractions in your calculator. There's no problem with that. What you can't do is type in absolute values, like in number 8. So just like we had to take care of our mixed numbers before we put things in our calculator, you need to take care of your absolute values. And that's what that is. So this is going to be negative 1/2 divided by the absolute value of a negative 2/3 is a positive 2/3. And go ahead and take the absolute value sign off, minus 1/3 squared. You can stick that in your calculator. That one can go in just like it is. To find the average of the numbers, you add them up. Then divide that answer by the number of numbers. In this case, 3, because there are 3 numbers. So I'm saying you can handle that. And that's the end of that section. See, I told you I could do it in under 10 minutes. So I'm saying there are some people who are panicking that are like, I need to know what these answers are to make sure I'm getting them right. Okay, calm down. This one, when you plug it in, you're going to get 2 over 3. This one, when you plug it in, you're going to get negative 31 over 36. And this one, when you plug it in, you're going to get negative 2. And for the average, you get 22 over 45. So now I think you'll be okay. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.